So if you want to utilize ChatGPT as a role-playing assistant, all you have to do is type in a prompt similar to what I will be showing you right now. So it would look something like this. However, you can utilize this in different ways. It doesn't have to be for something as fun as, let's say, a game master. You can utilize it for, let's say, a job interview or anything under the sun regarding some form of role-playing. So in this case, you go, "You're my game master. The setting is a cursed desert where sandstorms reveal hidden ruins." You tell it the tone. The tone is mysterious and deadly. You talk about your character. My character, Kyle, is a warlock seeking a forbidden relic. Start the scene as he enters the Temple of Dust. Include sensory detail and one dangerous twist. So that's just for like a fun little role-playing, exercise, but you can utilize this in different ways. This is exactly the type of prompt you'd be utilizing even if you were doing for a job interview. So let's go ahead and enter it. As you can see here, it sets up the setting, and you can go and follow up with whatever the storyline is and continue playing along with it. And in the case that this was for a job interview or something more serious, you'd be able to just pretend it's a job interview and respond accordingly. So for an example, if you were doing it for a job interview, you can say, "You're the boss at a marketing firm and I'm coming in for an interview for a lead marketer role. The setting is in your office at the marketing firm. The tone is serious and professional. And my character, myself, Tech Tips, is a man searching for a job. Start the scene as I enter the room," and you can click enter, and you can go through the process as if you're actually in an interview with the person hiring you in this case. And it'll help you prepare for whatever you have coming up. So hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.